Assalamualaikum, you are watching Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to change the ringtone on your Android phone. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now, tap Sounds and Vibration. Under the Incoming Call section, tap Ringtone. Here, you can choose a ringtone for SIM1, SIM2 or eSIM, depending on your device. Simply select the ringtone you want to use. If you would like more ringtone options, tap the More button at the bottom. From there, you can browse, download, and use additional ringtones. If you want to set a custom ringtone, look for a custom ringtone option. If it's available on your device, tap on it and select the audio file you want to use from your phone's storage. And that's it, your new ringtone has now been set successfully. Thanks for watching.